I want to do something kind of crazy this year. You see, it occurred to me, I was looking around my house and I realized I have so much old photo and video equipment just sitting collecting dust. Things like this underwater housing for the Lumix GH5. I needed this for a project years ago and I haven't touched it since because I'm not often doing underwater photography or video. It's just sitting here doing nothing, completely wasted. But I'm sure someone out there could use stuff like this. And I have so much stuff like this that I want to give it away. I don't want to sell it and deal with Facebook Marketplace. That seems like a nightmare, honestly, haggling with people trying to reduce the price. Or I don't just want to go donate this to like Goodwill or whatever, because what are they going to do with an underwater housing, for the Lumix GH5? They're not going to know what to do with this. And someone who sees it sitting on the shelf probably doesn't have a GH5 and they won't know what it is either. But I know there's a lot of you out there who could use stuff like this, not even big stuff, little stuff, memory cards, batteries, that sort of thing. I have so much stuff that's just sitting unused, collecting dust, that I was like, what's the best way to just give this away for free? Because I don't want to sell it. I don't want to donate it. I want it to go into good hands. And so here's how you do it. If you go over to my website, tographer.io, you'll end up on the homepage. I'll put a link to it in the description. And you can sign up for the mailing list if you want. It's a good way to be informed if I ever do anything like this again. So that's where you do that. But you don't have to. This is completely free. You don't have to do anything other than just add this to the cart. It's the Thanksgiving away surprise. And it's $0, completely free. Add it to your cart, check out, and I will send you something in the mail. Now, this does need to be someone who's in the United States. So if you're overseas, I'm sorry about that. I just can't logistically manage that much. But if you're in the US, you're over 18, you want to sign up for some free stuff, whatever I send you in the mail, this is how you do it. And that's it. Couldn't be simpler. I'm just giving it away. No promises to what it is. It could be this underwater. This is going to be sent out to someone. If you want this, comment, let me know in the description, and maybe I'll match up people's requests, to their actual, when they add this to the cart. No guarantees, but if you want to leave a comment, you can think of it kind of like Secret Santa, where you kind of sending me your wish list. If I'm Santa Claus, what do you want this holiday season, whether you celebrate Christmas or something else? It's a good time for gift giving and being generous. And that's really all I want to do. I have so much stuff, too much stuff, that it's doing me no good. I'm not using it. It's like a museum practically just sitting there. So if you want an underwater housing unit or something else, send me your requests. Maybe Secret Santa will deliver. Maybe there's something, this is not crazy, okay? It's not going to be cameras or lenses or anything super expensive. This is like reasonably, priced stuff. Some of it could be dirt cheap, honestly. But hey, you're getting it for free, so you shouldn't care at all, right? And depending on, how many of these come in, because I have no idea. I'm just kind of throwing it out there. But you can leave me a comment, what you want. I just wanted to give stuff away because I know there's plenty of you out there. I see comment after comment after comment. People still shooting on the GH5. I've moved on. I've upgraded to some of the full frame stuff. I'm shooting on the GH7 now. It's different body style. I do have a GH5 around. And if I did need to shoot underwater, I probably would use this. But honestly, if I find myself in that situation, I'll just rent something. I won't buy it. Because I don't want stuff around, kind of minimalist, simplify, declutter. But instead of throwing it away or selling it or donating it, I'd rather you have it and put it to good use for your projects. So let me know, what is it that you want? And then go, over here to tographer.io and just add it to your cart. It's $0, free, completely free. There's no strings, there's no gotchas, there's no catch. It's just, I'll send you something in the mail for free and it'll be a nice holiday surprise that'll show up in the mail. If you don't want something, but someone else does, you could, I suppose you could buy something on someone else's behalf. I don't know. I'll send it to them. Who knows what it'll be? It's not junk. All of it's good. It all works. It's not my trash. Okay. It's not broken stuff. I'm not going to send you a problem. I'll send you something good that's decent but if you want something in particular, leave a comment, let me know, and we'll see. Maybe 2 people will do it. Maybe 200. I don't know. I have no idea. I've never done anything like this. I don't know anyone else who has done anything like this, but it just seemed like a really good use of my time, the stuff that I've got laying around, and just to, celebrate the holiday spirit, to participate, to give back a little bit, to be generous, not be collecting things for no reason. I mean, ultimately, it's all trash anyway. It all ends up in a landfill at some point in time. So for the time that we do have with it, I'd like it to be used by somebody who wants it and is going to get the most out of it. So let me know if that's you. Go over to tographer.io. You can check out, again, completely free, $0, and something will show up in the mail for you.